And finally, a few words regarding the commodity block of currencies, where the situation is more or less supporting for the commodity currencies, again the United States one. As you can see, the Australian dollar, for example, should remain supported while trading from a longer term perspective above its long-term uptrend line located today at 76.20. That's we advise to follow our recommendation of buying a possible dip in the currency. As you can see, during previous trading session, the pair is more or less tested its moving average 200 daily line, which today lies at 78.13. A successful breaks above this line and subsequent closing above this line should produce an upper resolution for the currency in the nearest future. As regarding the New Zealand dollar, here the situation is also looking is more or less favorable for the future rise in the pair, while trading above moving average 200 daily line located at 71.83. We will use a possible dip below, probably closer to 72.50, to buy the currency with a stop below 71.80. As regarding the dollar Canada, here the dollar Canada is let's say jammed between two important lines. The first one is the immediate downtrend line located at 27.80. That's why we will use a possible uptick to this level to re-establish short positions in the currency. At the same time, and you can see this on the daily chart, there is a rather strong uptrend line support in the form of uptrend line located at 123.50. All in all, we still see the pair inside of this range, but of course we'll use a more let's say a short trade strategy in the pair right now. As regarding the dollar ruble, is more or less neutral at the moment, despite of the military strikes in Syria, despite of possibly new sanctions list conducting by the United States and UK against Russia. And anyway, we see that ruble is more or less stable at the moment. We suggest that probably the pair entering a kind of wider range trading between psychologically important level of 60, probably with the first important one at 61. And on the upper side we see an important resistance barrier around 65. So all in all, probably in the nearest future, over the course of starting week, the pair will trade inside of this range. Overall, we suggest anyway under a risk of upside potential in the pair. That's why we will use a possible downtick to below 61 to re-establish long position in the currency. We wish you a nice and peaceful day ahead and a pleasant week ahead. It was your FutureTrend channel with you, and bye bye for now.